Apple's iPhone 17 lineup is off to a massive start in the US, and it's already shaking up the smartphone market, with sales far outpacing the iPhone 16 and leaving Android brands scrambling to respond, because this time, Apple didn't just play it safe. They made bold moves that are paying off big. The design is slimmer, the titanium edges look premium, and that new A19 Pro chip is breaking performance records, running faster and cooler than any processor on the market, even beating Snapdragon's latest in real-world tests. But what's really blowing people away is the battery life. Early reviews show that the iPhone 17 Pro Max can last up to 30% longer than the iPhone 16, and that's a game changer for users who rely on their phones all day for work, streaming, or gaming. The camera upgrade is another big reason for the surge. Apple introduced its new AI-assisted smart capture system, which automatically adjusts for lighting, motion, and even subject distance in real time, making it almost impossible to take a bad shot. And the front-facing camera. It's finally as good as the rear, perfect for vloggers, content creators, and FaceTime users in the US, where Apple dominates the influencer market. Meanwhile, Android fans are feeling the pressure. Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Google's Pixel 9 Pro are great phones, but they're struggling to match Apple's ecosystem advantage. The seamless connection between iPhone, MacBook, iPad, and even Apple Vision Pro is what's locking people in, and now with iOS 19's AI-powered Siri, which learns from your habits, schedule, and conversations, the iPhone 17 feels more like a smart assistant than just a phone. In fact, US users say Siri 2.0 is smarter than Google Assistant in key areas like multitasking and real-time translation. But here's what's really interesting. Early data shows that Android to iPhone switchers in the US have hit a 3-year high, mainly because Apple now offers stronger trade-in deals and easy setup for migrating data. Plus, the buy now, pay later options through Apple Pay have made the $1,099 price tag easier to swallow for many. The new pastel color lineup, especially the sky blue and graphite gray, is trending on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, driving even more buzz among younger buyers. But there's another layer. The upcoming Apple AI integration, rumored to connect directly with Vision Pro and CarPlay 2.0, could make the iPhone 17 the centerpiece of Apple's future ecosystem, not just a smartphone upgrade. For Android makers, that's a huge threat, because if Apple locks in more users now, it'll be even harder for Samsung or Google to win them back later. And if the rumors of a foldable iPhone 17 Ultra next year are true, Apple could completely change the flagship landscape again. So whether you're an iPhone fan or not, one thing's clear, Apple is dominating 2025 already, and the competition is running out of moves. Stay tuned, because this smartphone war is just heating up, and I'll be breaking down every leak, feature, and performance test right here on Digital Dive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what phone you're using right now, Team iPhone or Team Android.